Welcome back to another episode of Summit Life, you guys. Today is the day. Today is car buying day.
Car buying day, Sal?
We're buying a car today.
Man, thanks for starting the vlog today, Sal. You did great.
No problem.
So today, like Sal said, it's car buying day.
Not just any car, another random car, just like the Tahoe.
Very
We sold the Tahoe, and we have a long list of cars that we're always in the market for, and it just happens to be time to pick one up.
Today's the day. I think we're doing pretty good. Our last video, we talked about how me and Clayton have a strategy now in order to go on YouTube a little bit more. And today,
we have to mix work and YouTube.
yes, in order to make this happen, guys, unfortunately, you're gonna have to watch us work a little bit. So, for those of you who don't know, we own a detailing company, and today we've got a car outside that needs to be detailed before we can start the vlog formally.
So we have a brand new Ford Explorer ST in for our top detailing package, and it's gonna turn out fantastic. Let's just get it done so we can go buy a car.
Okay. Should we do a detail montage? Should we do a time lapse? What are you feeling today?
More montage.
Montage?
Time lapses are kind of like an easy scapegoat.
Yeah, you're right. We're gonna put some effort into this video, so montage it is. Good job, partner. We knocked this one out of the park.
Yes, we did. Don't mind me just taking a quick break.
Yeah.
Our last video went up, so I was just seeing it's doing okay. Everyone
It's doing okay.
Everybody's glad that we're back.
Oh, good,
Yes.
guys. We missed you guys. Yay. Okay, we got this Ford Explorer done. We now have to go actually drop this off to the client, and surprise, surprise, we actually have one more car to do, but
One more. It's fine. It's another day at work.
do we film it though, or should we just cut
It's the
ahead?
same exact thing as this, just on a Tesla.
It is a Tesla Plaid though.
We get a lot of plaids in here. We have a lot of customers like, oh, I don't know, it's like a Model S or something, and they bring it in and it's got a yoke and it's a model, it's 1,000 horsepower, and they're just like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah,
we get
they're
it
very
all the
popular.
time, actually.
Very popular, and I actually really enjoy detailing Teslas because they're so simplistic.
They are very simplistic.
Anyways, let's skip ahead like 2-ish hours, shall we?
Yep. Well, our morning of detailing is now complete. That Ford Explorer and that Tesla turned out absolutely perfect. Clients loved them. We are now inside the Range Rover, heading down to the valley, Salt Lake Valley, to pick up our new car.
The last time that we just randomly posted a video about us buying a car was the Tahoe, and that was kind of out of left field. We bought the Tahoe because we wanted to kind of dip our toes into the Turo universe and lend it out and rent it out and try and make some money on it. This car is kind of out of left field, but it has a much more important purpose. Clayton, am I okay to tell them?
Yeah, I think so. It's kind of a surprise. Like she said, the car is out of left field and the purpose is also out of left field.
So, there are some people in our lives that are very special and important to us, and we may or may not give this vehicle to them.
But we're almost there, so let's go buy a car.
Let's go buy a car. On a what is it, Thursday? Let's just go buy a car on a Thursday.
Thursday afternoon at 4:23 p.m. Let's go buy a car. Okay, you ready?
Let's go spend some money.
All right, we're there. Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it up close. Can you guys guess what it is?
We are currently in the new vehicle. It does have a tan interior.
Pretty basic.
Can you see?
Guarantee they can't figure it out
So it is
yet.
cloth tan. the headrest does do this.
Oh, that's kind of a teller.
This light turns on. Okay, do you guys know what it is yet?
Can you guys guess? All right, we're gonna show you guys because we're pretty excited, and I'm very excited. Did I say I was excited?
No.
I'm excited.
I told you this is gonna be a random car purchase just like the Tahoe. Did you guys guess it was going to be a green Subaru Outback?
Guarantee not a single person in the comments would have guessed that, but hey, who knows? You guys are pretty smart. But we did get this very specific vehicle for a very specific reason because of the safety, all of the creature comforts it has, and I think they look pretty good for a daily driver.
I think they look fantastic. I like this green, always have. Subarus have super reliable all-wheel drive. They're very reliable in accidents. This one also, like I said, is almost fully loaded. It has like the adaptive cruise control, the lane assist. It has like the blind spot monitoring. It has
all of the safety features.
Yeah, safety features, which was key for the people we are surprising this for.
Yes, gonna give you guys the full tour. But first, Clayton, I need you to check and make sure that the temperature gauge works because it's pretty hot out. And I need to know. Oof!
It is 103
I'm pretty
degrees
sure
outside.
it's working because that definitely feels like 100.
Get the AC cranking. The AC works so your face can be cold and then your butt can be hot.
Oh yeah, the heated seats in the Utah winters are necessary.
Yep.
It's even got an updated infotainment center, touchscreen, I believe.
With Bluetooth audio.
I gotta say, all this car buying stuff really worked up an appetite. Clayton, will you shuttle me over to Cane's Chicken, please?
Yes, I will. This is a great opportunity to show you guys that the car does in fact drive.
We're currently moving.
I'm moving, the car's steering.
We're currently at, seatbelt.
Someone's not wearing her seat belt.
Safety features.
Yep, safety features, because you never know when you need a brake.
Oh my!
That was an interesting reaction. We were about to get in an accident, so she lifted up the center console.
Well, I was gonna lift it up to look in it, and you simultaneously wanted to kill us, so of course.
No, I wanted to save us with the really good brakes that this car has.
Anyways, now that I almost died, I'm gonna go eat some Cane's to feel a little bit better. Holy smokes, whose car is that?
Whoever it is, they just want to be looked
parked
at.
awful. I don't really feel like getting out of the car though. You think this is a magic Subaru where I can just like snap my fingers and the Subaru will make the Cane's appear?
I don't know, might as well try.
Shoot, it
worked.
It worked. Buying this car was worth it.
Oh yeah, this is
After all.
goodbye, goodbye.
We should celebrate with Cane's every time we buy a car.
We should just celebrate with Cane's every time we're hungry. We need to open a Cane's Chicken in Park City. Right now we gotta drive 20 minutes down to Salt Lake to get Cane's.
Unfortunately, Cane's doesn't franchise. I've looked it up. But anyways, enough about Cane's. There are some people, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm pretty sure I did, that are very special to us and that have been top supporters of Clayton and I's last multiple years together with the businesses, with YouTube. They have just been there every step of the way. So this Subaru may or may not, and it may be going to them.
And this car right here is gonna be quite the upgrade for them. They love to support everyone else and they just get by with the bare minimums and they're okay with that. But we wanted to treat them with something. We wanted them to experience something nice, have something of luxury, something with comfort. And
Heated seats.
Heated seats, all-wheel drive because of the snow in Utah. And we think this is a perfect fit. And they're gonna really, really like it.
I hope so.
I hope so too. Well, I bet they're gonna try to not accept it.
Yes, because they're just that way. They have no choice in the matter. And I know they're watching this right now. No choice.
So, I hope you guys like this video. We're trying really hard to film and work all at the same time, so I hope you guys like this format. This video, we've been working on it for quite some time. Car shopping and planning behind the scenes, so we're very, very excited to have this video come to fruition. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. We got a lot of Cane's to eat and I am starving. But guys, stay tuned. Make sure you don't miss the updates on this little car gift. We have updates coming very, very soon. And we will see you there. Peace.